Think and Grow Rich. Chapter 11, The Subconscious Mind, The Connecting Link. Welcome back to the audiobook of Think and Grow Rich by Napoleon Hill, your guide to mastering the principles of success. Today, we're diving into Chapter 11, The Subconscious Mind, The Connecting Link. This chapter is a deep dive into the hidden power of your mind, a force that can shape your destiny. If you're ready to unlock this secret weapon, hit that subscribe button, tap the bell, and let's get started. So, what is the subconscious mind? Napoleon Hill describes it as the part of your brain that operates below your conscious awareness. It's like an invisible engine driving your thoughts, habits, and actions. Your subconscious doesn't judge. It accepts whatever you feed it, positive or negative, and turns it into reality. Hill calls it the connecting link because it bridges your desires, faith, and actions, making your goals possible. In this chapter, Hill shows us how to program this powerful force to achieve our dreams. Let's start with a core idea. Your subconscious is always listening. Every thought, word, and emotion you experience gets stored, shaping your beliefs and behaviors. If you constantly think, "I'll never succeed," your subconscious believes it, and you'll act in ways that prove it. But if you feed it positive thoughts, like, "I am capable of achieving my goals," it will guide you toward success. Hill says the subconscious is the key to turning your burning desire from Chapter 1 into reality. It's not magic, it's a process you can control. To illustrate, Hill shares the story of Thomas Edison, the inventor of the light bulb. Edison faced over 10,000 failures, but his subconscious was programmed for success. He fed it thoughts of possibility, visualizing a working bulb long before it existed. Each failure was a lesson, stored in his subconscious, guiding him closer to the answer. His relentless focus and belief, rooted in his mind, led to a breakthrough that changed the world. Edison's story shows that the subconscious can turn persistence into genius. Now, let's look at a modern example. Think about Simone Biles, the greatest gymnast of all time. Biles didn't just rely on physical talent. She programmed her subconscious for victory. Before every routine, she visualized every flip, twist, and landing, feeding her mind images of perfection. Even after facing mental health challenges at the 2020 Olympics, she used positive affirmations to rebuild her confidence. Her subconscious belief in herself led to 11 Olympic medals and a $20 million net worth. Biles's story proves that the subconscious can transform effort into excellence. So, how do you harness your subconscious mind? Hill gives us a practical process, building on autosuggestion from Chapter 3. First, define your definite goal. Let's say you want to be a top graphic designer by 2035, earning $150,000 a year. Write it down. By 2035, I will be a graphic designer creating iconic brands, earning $150,000 annually. This clarity is your starting point. Second, feed your subconscious positive thoughts. Use autosuggestion. Affirm, "I am a talented designer and my work will succeed." Say it twice daily, with emotion, morning and night. Third, visualize your goal in vivid detail. Close your eyes. See yourself designing for major clients, presenting your work, earning awards. Feel the pride, the excitement. Hill says your subconscious can't tell the difference between imagination and reality. What you visualize becomes real to your mind. Fourth, act on your goal. Create a portfolio, pitch clients, or learn new software. Your subconscious will guide your actions, making success feel natural. Hill stresses that positive input plus action equals results. Let's see this in action. Consider Pharrell Williams, the musician and entrepreneur worth $250 million. Pharrell's success comes from his ability to program his subconscious. He visualizes his projects, songs, fashion lines, films before they exist, feeding his mind images of success. He uses affirmations, like believing in his unique creativity, to stay focused. When he produced Happy, he saw it as a global hit even before recording. His subconscious drove him to refine it, leading to a song that topped charts in 24 countries. Pharrell's story shows how the subconscious turns vision into reality. Hill also warns that the subconscious absorbs negative thoughts just as easily. If you dwell on fear, doubt, or failure, your mind will make those real too. This is why you must guard your thoughts. Avoid toxic influences, people who criticize, news that depresses, or habits that distract. Instead, surround yourself with positivity. Read inspiring books. Listen to motivational podcasts. Join supportive communities. Hill says your subconscious is like a garden. Plant good seeds, and you'll grow success. Let's make this practical. Think of your biggest goal. Maybe it's launching a startup, becoming a teacher, or writing a novel. Write your definite purpose. By 2036, I will own a startup generating $500,000 through sustainable products. Create an affirmation. I am a successful entrepreneur, and my startup will thrive. Say it daily with passion. Visualize your success, your office, your team, your impact. Then act, research markets, build a prototype, pitch investors. Your subconscious will align your actions with your goal. Another example, look at Ariana Grande. Her rise to pop stardom wasn't just luck. Grande programmed her subconscious with belief in her talent. She visualized performing for millions, even as a young actress on Nickelodeon. She used affirmations to overcome stage fright and criticism, affirming, I am a world-class performer. Her subconscious guided her to practice relentlessly, write hit songs, and connect with fans. Today, with a $240 million net worth and sold-out arenas, Grande's story shows the power of a programmed mind. Hill also connects the subconscious to emotions. Positive emotions like love, faith, and enthusiasm amplify your mind's power. Negative emotions like fear or anger block it. This ties to sex transmutation from Chapter 10. Channel your strongest emotions into your goal. If you're passionate about teaching, let that energy drive you to create lesson plans or mentor students. Hill says emotions are the fuel that makes your subconscious work faster and stronger. One key lesson is consistency. Hill says you must feed your subconscious daily, like watering a plant. If you skip days or let doubt creep in, your progress stalls. Set a routine, 5 minutes morning and night for affirmations and visualization. If you're writing that novel, affirm, I am a best-selling author and my story will inspire millions. Picture your book on shelves, readers raving. Then write 500 words daily. Consistency builds momentum, making your subconscious your greatest ally. Another point, the subconscious works with your mastermind group from Chapter 9. Share your goal with your group. They'll reinforce your positive thoughts. If you're launching that startup, your mastermind can offer ideas, boosting your confidence. Look at J.K. Rowling. Her subconscious was programmed to believe in Harry Potter, but her writing group gave her feedback that strengthened her vision. Her persistence, fueled by a positive mind, created a $25 billion franchise. Your group can do the same for you. One final lesson. The subconscious requires faith. Hill says you must believe in your goal, even when evidence is lacking. Use autosuggestion to affirm, my success is certain and I am on the right path. Visualize your goal as already achieved. This faith, rooted in your subconscious, will keep you going through setbacks. Take Elon Musk. When SpaceX faced near failure, his subconscious belief in a multiplanetary future drove him. His faith led to a $200 billion company. Your belief will carry you too. That's Chapter 11 of Think and Grow Rich. You've learned that the subconscious mind is the connecting link to your success. Thomas Edison, Simone Biles, Ariana Grande, they programmed their minds to win. Now it's your turn. Define your goal, feed your mind positivity, and act. Your subconscious is ready to work miracles. What's one positive thought you'll feed your mind today? Drop it in the comments. I can't wait to hear. If this audiobook sparked your drive, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the bell to catch Chapter 12, where we'll explore the brain. You'll find the next chapter in the playlist linked below. Until then, keep programming your mind, keep believing, and let's grow rich together.